welcome you all on my channel Doctor's Desk. So again I come with this new video. So as in last video we talked about the important topics for obstetrics and gynecology. So again in this video we're going to talk about the important topics for UPSC CMS. So today we have Dr. Mohan who is also a ADMO in Eastern Railway. He's going to tell you about the important topics which you can revise in this last month for the preparation of UPSC as important topics of UPSC CMS paper 1. So hope you're gonna like this video. So let's hear him now.
Gastroenterology. Zincka diverticulum, eosinophilic esophagitis, logarithm for evaluation of dysphagia, Barrett esophagus, Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, celiac sprue, Whipple's disease, Crohn's versus ulcerative colitis, peptic ulcer disease and its complication. It is the important topic from gastro. For last minute revision, Zincka diverticulum very important. Evaluation of dysphagia very important. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome, celiac sprue, Crohn's versus ulcerative disease. Next topic is rheumatology. SLE, very important topic for UPSC. Diagnostic criteria, drug-induced lupus and its management. Antiphospholipid antibody syndrome, very important topic. Raynaud's phenomena, Quest syndrome, scleroderma, Sjögren's syndrome, Behcet syndrome, ankylosing spondylitis, gout versus pseudo-gout, rheumatoid arthritis, sarcoidosis and vasculitis. Among vasculitis, Janssen arteritis, PAN, polyarteritis nodosa, Kawasaki disease, Wegener syndrome and Henoch-Swanson purpura. These are the topic from vasculitis which are important. For last minute revision, SLE is very important. Antiphospholipid antibody syndrome very important. Raynaud's phenomena very important. Ankylosing spondylitis very important. Rheumatoid arthritis, its criteria, complication and treatment very important. And among vasculitis, polyarteritis nodosa, Wegener's granulomatosis and Henoch-Swanson purpura. These three topics is very important. Next, nephrology. Method of estimation of GFR, nephritis versus nephrotic syndrome, minimal change disease, membranous glomerulopathy, MPGN, FSGS, Goodpasture syndrome, IgA nephropathy, renal artery stenosis, TTP, thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease, Barter's versus Gitelman syndrome, renal tubular acidosis. Various types of renal tubular acidosis is a very important topic for UPSC. Urine analysis. Among urine analysis, they ask for some definition of hematuria, oliguria and urea, UTI and its management, various type of crystals present in urine. For last minute revision, nephritic versus nephrotic, TTP, thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, autosomal dominant polycystic kidney disease and various type of renal tubular acidosis is very important. Goodpasture syndrome is also important for last minute revision. Next topic is hematology. Transfusion medicine, various type of buffers and its shelf life, complication of blood transfusion, massive blood transfusion and its complication, transfusion related acute lung injury. These are very important. Among these, transfusion related acute lung injury, massive blood transfusion and its complication is very important last minute revision. Iron deficiency anemia versus anemia of chronic disease, very important topic. Always they ask 1 or 2 questions from this topic. Thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, polycythemia vera, AML versus ALL, CML versus CLL. CLL is very important topic for UPSC. ITP, immune thrombocytic purpura. This topic is also very important. Hodgkin's lymphoma, hereditary spherocytosis and G6PD deficiency. Last minute revision, already told, massive blood transfusion, its complication, transfusion related acute lung injury, iron deficiency anemia versus anemia of chronic disease, polycythemia vera, microangiopathic hemolytic anemia, CLL, ITP. This is very important. From infectious disease, rabies prophylaxis and classification of various types of rabies, dengue and its complication, CDC aids case definition for surveillance and complication, treatment of hepatitis B virus and hepatitis C virus infection, malaria and its complication, treatment of tuberculosis. All these topics are important, but for last minute revision, rabies prophylaxis and classification of various types of wound of rabies, dengue and its complication, treatment of tuberculosis and treatment of hepatitis B and hepatitis C is important. Now comes to neonatology. Primitive neonatal reflexes, neonatal resuscitation protocol, IUGR, hemolytic disease of newborn, hemorrhagic disease of newborn, neonatal sepsis, APGR score, meconium aspiration syndrome, respiratory distress syndrome, neonatal jaundice, necrotizing enterocolitis. These topics are important from neonatology. For last minute revision, neonatal resuscitation, hemorrhagic disease of newborn, APGAR score, respiratory distress syndrome and neonatal jaundice. These are very important. From nutrition, always read malnutrition definition, kwashiorkor versus marasmus, vitamin C deficiency and vitamin D deficiency, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone secretion, central pontine myelonosis. This is related to correction of hyponatremia. They ask multiple time this question, so always read the hyponatremia and its treatment. From genetics, pedigree analysis, Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, mitochondrial inheritance disorder and Klinefelter syndrome. For last minute revision, always read Turner syndrome and Down syndrome. Next is pediatric. Pediatric gastroenterology, tracheoesophageal fistula, hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, biliary atresia, Budd-Chiari syndrome, acute viral hepatitis. For last minute revision, biliary atresia and hypertrophic pyloric stenosis very important. Nephrology, congenital nephrotic syndrome, posterior urethral wall, post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis, vesiculoureteric reflex and RIFLE criteria for acute kidney injury is important. For last minute, post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis, posterior urethral wall and congenital nephrotic syndrome, important topic. For central nervous system, neural tube defect, hydrocephalus, neurofibromatosis, very important, febrile seizure and cerebral palsy. For last minute revision, febrile seizure and cerebral palsy. These two topics is very important. Musculoskeletal, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, rickets, scurvy, Fanconi syndrome, juvenile idiopathic arthritis. For last minute, juvenile idiopathic arthritis and Duchenne muscular dystrophy is very important revision topic. Next topic is inborn error of metabolism. Very important topic for all exam, especially UPSC. Galactosemia, hereditary fructose intolerance, phenylketonuria, L-ketonuria, Gaucher's disease, homocystinuria, Niemann-Pick disease, Lesnian syndrome and hereditary orotic aciduria. These topics are very important from inborn error of metabolism. For last minute revision, you go for phenylketonuria, Gaucher's disease, homocystinuria. These three is very important. Fetal circulation is very important. Some miscellaneous topic: Wilms tumor, neuroblastoma, medulloblastoma, pilocytic astrocytoma, kangaroo mother care, developmental milestone, pneumonia in children. Its classification and management is very important. Croup, laryngotracheobronchitis and immunization. For last minute revision, neuroblastoma, medulloblastoma, pilocytic astrocytoma, developmental milestone, group and immunization is very important. These topics are very important for UPSC first paper. If you prepare all these important topics, you got almost 60 to 70% question from these topics. Thanks a lot. If any query, please inbox me. Thank you.